Good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing today? Has it been a good morning for you, or a good afternoon, or a good evening? I hope so. Anyway, I wanted to share with you, your parents basically, there's a video that you can also find on YouTube, and it's called Tai Chi for Beginners. And this is Dr. Daniel Hoover, and this is Mrs. Veronika Hoover. And they're a husband and wife team that have a Tai Chi for beginners that you can find on YouTube. As I've said before, I was certified by the School of Healing Martial Arts, and he's the founder of the School of Healing Martial Arts. So enough said, this is mainly for your adults, but also you kids can do it too. All right. So, just sharing that with you. And so, are you ready? Are you ready to begin again? All right, now, don't want it to be boring.
Teacher Zola.
I want you to understand that Teacher Zola wants you to do the best you can. And tomorrow, I'm going to show you 2 of the trophies I won in competition at Lightning Tai Chi with the broadsword, or the Tao it's called. And as you learn the form, then you can end up doing the various swords and the fan and so many other things. It can be a really fun experience. All right, so are we ready to lift the sky? All right, I'm going to lift the sky twice from the front, and then I'm going to turn around, and I'm going to lift it from the back. Oh, let me do it this way. I'll tell you what. I'll do it this way, this way, this way, this way. Okay? So, here we go. Lifting the sky. Going up. Turning your hands. Breathing in. Hold. Breathing out through your mouth. Now, I'm going to turn to my south, or left side. And coming up, turning your hands, hold, and breathe out. Now I'm going to turn my back to you, just as if you were looking at me. I'm going to breathing in, turn your hands, breathing in. Breathing out. And now, breathing in. Breathing out. Okay. Now, that is, what's it called? What's it called? Lifting the sky. Lifting the sky. All right, now we're going to do archer pulls bow. And so I'm going to do it first in the front. So we reach down, gather up, shooting to the left, pulling the bow, breathing in, breathing out. Now turn this way, gathering up, pulling the bow, I'm going to turn to the back. And one last time. So, what are we doing? We are breathing in. We're helping the heart, giving air and oxygen to the heart, to the lungs, they're inside there too, and to your body. And with archer pulls bows, we're working on our legs. Remember I talked about getting strong and being able to have strong legs. That's important because your legs will take you everywhere, hopefully, no matter how old you are. So we're going to go one more time to the form. Okay, and it's 24 Tai Chi Yang. Tai Chi 24 Yang style. All right? And let's see here. I want to make sure you see me this time. All right? So I'm going to start here. Open up your hands. That's right. Turn your hands that way. Make sure that they're not too close, not too far away. Just comfortable. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. All right. Here we go. So, open up the arms. Stepping out to the left. Here we go up. Raising. Lifting up the wrist. Shoulder roll. Bending down. Shifting to the right. Opening up the left toe. Reach over. Grab the top of the ball. Adjusting the back foot. And bring the ball in. Stepping out to the left. Parting while horse's mane. Hand comes up kind of high. Remember the shoulders. Arms are curved. Curved. Shift back. Adjusting the foot and the hand. Scoop up. Scoop. Scoop. Scoop up that ball. Step out to the right. Turning your waist. Shift back. Turn. Scoop up the ball. Scoop up the ball. Scoop up that ball. Imaginary ball. Stepping out to the left. Parting while horse's mane. Make sure you turn your waist. Okay? Empty step. Boom, boom. There we go. White crane spreads its wings. Moves a little left foot. We turn to the left, blocking. Right hand goes down. We turn to the right. Left hand is up. Now we switch. We switch. We switch. Stepping out. Parting while. Oh, yes, you're right. I was teasing you. This is brush knee twist step. I'm glad you corrected me. I'm just checking to see if you're listening. What is this? Brush knee twist step. Again, this is brush knee twist step. Hitting in the center. Shift back. Both hands are now on the left side. Stepping out, brushing across, turning your waist, hitting in the center. That's it. Shift back, go back, adjusting the right foot. Both hands come up on the right. Remember, the right hand is up, the left hand is down. So when you step out, you brush across the left knee and press. Okay? Make sure your knee doesn't go past your toe. You want to take care of your legs. Okay? You want to keep them strong. You don't want to do nothing to hurt them, right? All right? Empty step again. Strum the lute. This is called strum the lute. Strum the lute. Okay? Repulse monkey. Repulse monkey. The right hand goes back. Swimming backwards. The left foot goes back and we turning. Stepping back with the right. We're turning. Stepping back with the left. We're turning. Step back with the right and we're turning again. Now we're reaching over. Grab the top of the ball. Stepping out, ward off, grasp the bird's tail. What kind of bird? Let's make it a peacock bird, okay? Peacock bird. Pull it down. That tail is easier to grab. Press and clear and push and rolling right. Ball. Ward off. Grasp the peacock's tail, bring it down, circle, press, and clear, and push up. Now, what I like to do is I like to do it to you and away from you, okay? I'm going to go to you and away from you. Just like if you're watching me, so I'm coming to you. All right. All the way back here. And feet are together. Body straight. Pants up. Don't sagging and bagging. Got it? There we go. Hands open. Stepping out left. Heel touches. Going up. Shoulder roll. Hands come down as you bend your knees. Shifting to the right. Opening up the left toe. Reaching forward. Grab the ball. Bring it to you. Stepping out. Parting the wild horse's mane. That's what it's called. This move is called parting the wild horse's mane. Oops. One more time. Parting the wild horse's mane. Then that empty step. For white crane spreads its wings, like being a bird. Then we block to the left, turning your waist. We block to the right. Be sure to change your hands. So when you step out with your left hand goes over and you press in the front. Then you shift back. Make sure you have your balance. Breathing in. Oh, there's a monarch bird, monarch butterfly. Then we go across. And here we go. And one more time. Brush knee, twist step. Stepping out, cross, and sit. Strum the loop, which is, remember, strum the loop. Repulse monkey. Right hand goes back. Left foot goes back and turn. Step back with the right. Brush off with the left and turn the left toe. Step back with the left. Brush off with the right and turn the right toe. Step out back. Again, gathering your ball of energy. Bring it in. Stepping out, ward off. Grasp that peacock's tail or bird's tail. Bring it down. Circle. Press and clear. And press up. And circle to the right. Fall. Stepping out. Ward off. Grasp the peacock's tail. Bring it down. Circle. Press. Clear. Push up. And come to the front. Now, one last time, I'm going to be here, and I'm going to be doing it kind of with as if you're looking at me. So you stand behind me, and let's do it from wherever you are. Okay, got our feet together. We're going to open up, stepping out to the left. Arms go up, shoulder roll down. Got it? I know you got it. Reaching over, shifting over to the right, opening up the left toe. Grab the top of the ball, bottom of the ball, bring it in. Stepping out to the left. Left hand goes up, right hand goes down. Shift back. Scoop up the ball, step out right, right hand goes up, left hand goes back, shift over, grab the ball, left hand goes up, left foot goes down, empty step, white crane spreads wings, we're blocking to the left. We change our hands. We're blocking to the right. We step out to our left. We block across with the left and twist with the right hand. We shift back. We adjust. We breathe in as we come up. we breathe out as we brush across the right. Get in the center. Shift back. Hands go up on the right. Step out with the left. And press. Empty step. Strum. Strum. Repulse monkey. Right hand goes back. Left foot goes back. Step back with your right. Turn on your left. Step back with your left. Turn on your right. Step back with your right. Turn on your left. You got it. Let's go over and reach that top of the ball, bottom of the ball. Bring it in. Stepping out. Reward off. Grasp the bird's tail. Bringing it down. Circling. Rest. And clear. And press up. Circle or roll to the right. Got your ball. Stepping out right. Ward off. Grasp that bird's tail. Bring it down. Circle. Rest. And clear. And push up. There you go. You've done marvelously. Wonderfully. I think that's about enough today. But I did want to show you my t-shirt from last year for World Tai Chi Day. Tai Chi Qigong Day. All right? The lifting the sky and archer pull bow are part of the Qigong exercises. There are many of them, not just one. Like there's, as I told you, many forms of the Tai Chi 24. It just depends on who your teacher is. And so honoring my teacher, Master Tom Tran and Dr. Hoover, this is the way I teach the 24 Tai Chi Yang style. And I will be telling you about April 25th, World Tai Chi Day. So in the meantime, when you're really excited and you can't calm yourself down, do some jumping jacks. Do some jumping jacks. Or do some kicks. Or something to make yourself, your body a little more tired so you'll be able to go to sleep. All right. But now I am rushing to get some lunch because I'm hungry. And Teacher Odie is fixing something delicious. I know he is. That's the advantage of having somebody in the house that can cook just as well as you can. So while you're home, maybe your mommy and daddy or your brother and sister will teach you how to cook. Don't go near the stove without them. So in the meantime, remember this is your right, this is your left, this is my right, left. Or just say, turn around, this is your right, this is your left, this is your right leg, this is your left leg. Right? What is it? Let me see, let me see. Do it for me. Ah, you got it. You are so smart. So truly, truly smart and wonderful. Because every day, in every way, you are getting better. I better hurry. I don't want to be late for lunch. Bye.